Welcome to another episode of Out of Stock. Mup here, and today we are looking at the Nike Kobe AD Exodus. The signature line ended with the Kobe 11, and Nike created the AD line as a post-retirement edition of Kobe sneakers. It started with the AD, the AD Mid, the AD NXT, the AD NXT 360, and now we have the 5th edition of the AD line, the Exodus. Got a sneak preview of these shoes through DeMar DeRozan and Kobe Bryant during a summer rec league, and as soon as I saw these, I thought they were really nice. They kind of gave me a mix of Kyrie 3 with some KD lacing. The colorways really pop, the vibrant yellow and hits of hyper pink. And even like just this gray paneling with the navy, it kind of just all goes together. You really don't see a shoe with this kind of colorway. It reminds me of the old Kobe Chaos. You also get a personal touch of Kobe's life. On one side, 8/23/78 was his birthday, August 23rd, 1978. And on the other side, you get 33, 8, and 24, which were his jersey numbers. 33 being his number in high school, not Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. So on the upper heel, you see the Kobe branding, and also, I haven't seen this before, you see the Kobe name just stacked like that. I've been a major Kobe supporter throughout the years, starting with the 2, 4, and the 9. Straight out of the box, these aren't the best. Already, I got a rip in the heel tab when I try to put them on. My very first try putting these on, and I just heard a pop. And this already ripped like kind of halfway. If you guys can see that. You need this heel tab to help put this shoe on because it's really tight. Like actually, I would suggest maybe going half a size up. I went with my true size, size 8, and they just feel a little too tight around like the width of my feet. Like it's really snug on this part right up here. Zoom air in the heel right here, you definitely feel it. It feels good. There's a nice little bounce to it. Traction looks similar to the AD NXT 360 and will probably perform well on a clean court. But, you know, playing outdoors, I wouldn't recommend this shoe at all. From afar, the felt gray panels look good. It doesn't feel soft like a nubuck or suede though. Fused mesh, the added ripstop above the toe box is a nice touch. The variety of materials used on the shoe actually come together really well. I like that they use different materials and it gives it a different feel and look. I wouldn't mind keeping this shoe, but at the same time, the durability and the lack of it actually kind of just turns me off completely. And for 140, I would probably opt out and get like maybe a Kyrie or even like a PG shoe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and will you guys still be copping this shoe after knowing that the quality is kind of not there? And at 140, it's a little bit high. You can get way better shoes even on sale right now. But anyway, let me know how you feel, and I'll catch you on the next episode.